Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the simplification of Boolean function using Karnaugh map, K-map. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Minimize the following expression in POS form, product of sum form. This already the function is given in POS form only, right? Y equal to A bar plus B bar plus C plus D. So this is sum. All these sums are product. So this is called a product of sum. All the terms are multiplied. The terms available as sum. So that it is called a product of sum. The second term is A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D. Third term is A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. Fourth term is A bar plus B plus C plus D. Fifth term is A plus B bar plus C bar plus D. Sixth term is A plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. Seventh term is A plus B plus C plus D. Eighth term is A bar plus B bar plus C plus D bar. Right. So there are 8 terms available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms are available. There are 4 variables available. A, B, C, D. So we need to plot the 4 variable K map A, B, C, D. Let us consider this K map having the 4 variables, right? A, B, C, D. A, B is assigned in a vertical manner. C, D is assigned in a horizontal manner, right? So A, B having A, B the 2 variables, so 4 combinations are available. C, D having 2 variables, so 4 combinations are available. So this is given as A plus B. A plus B bar, A bar plus B bar plus A plus A bar plus B, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So there is an interchange between third and fourth row, right? 0 0 0 1 1 0 available in the fourth row, 1 1 available in the third row, right? So in SOP form normally 0 0 assigned as A bar B bar. Now the 0 0 is assigned as a AB, A plus B. There we will assign as A bar into B bar. So all are opposite. They are multiplied, now it is added. A bar is now treated as A, B bar is treated as B. Just opposite to that of SOP form. Similarly this CD. CD is C plus D plus C plus D bar plus C bar plus D bar plus C bar plus D. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, right? So now A, B as well as C, D is assigned. Now we can plot the given POS form in the K map. It is represented as 0. We know that it is represented as 0. In SOP form we represented as 1. Now it is treated as marked as 0. Right? We will see this term one by one. Right. First term is A bar plus B bar plus C plus D. First we will see where is A bar plus B bar is available. A bar plus B bar is available here. Then what we need? C plus D. So this is C plus D, right? A bar plus B bar, C plus D. So this is the first term. Then A bar plus B bar, C bar plus D. So this is A bar plus B bar. Where is C bar plus D? This is C bar plus D. A bar plus B bar, then C bar plus D. So this is the second term. The second term is marked as 0. The third term is A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. Where is A bar plus B bar? Is A bar plus B bar. Where is C bar plus D bar is available. So A bar plus B bar, then C bar plus D bar. So this is the third term. Fourth term, A bar plus B plus C plus D. First we will see where is A bar plus B. So here is A bar plus B is available. Then C plus D. So this is C plus D. So A bar plus B, C plus D. So this is the fourth term. Fourth term is marked as 0. Then A plus B bar plus C bar plus D. First we will see where is A plus B bar. So this is A plus B bar. Then C bar plus D. So this is C bar plus D. Right? A plus B bar, C bar plus D. So this is the fifth term. Fifth term is marked as 0. Then A plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. Where is A plus B bar? Is A plus B bar is there. Where is C bar plus D bar? Is C bar plus D bar is available here. So A plus B bar, C plus D bar. So this is the sixth term marked as 0. Seventh term is A plus B plus C plus D. Where is A plus B? here available a plus b. Where is c plus d is available? So a plus b, c plus d. So this is the 7th term, right? A plus b, c plus d. Then 8th term is a bar plus b bar plus c plus d bar. First we will see where is a bar plus b bar. It is available here. A bar plus b bar. Then c plus d bar. This is c plus d bar. So a bar plus b bar, c plus d bar. This is the 8th term. So this is marked as 8th term. So now all 8 terms are marked as zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All 8 terms are marked. So these red color numbers are nothing but a max term. 0, 1, 2, 3. There is an interchange between third and fourth column. 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 8, 9, 10, 11. There is an interchange between third and fourth row also. Then 12, 13, 14, 15. Right? These are all the max terms. So the given terms can be treated as a max term. A bar plus b bar plus cd is nothing but m12, max term 12. Right? So like that we can mark it as a max term. So this 12 is directly we can mark it as 0. Right? So like this also what we marked also we can mark it as, otherwise we can mark it from the max term also. Right? There is another way. So these red color numbers indicate the max terms. Right? Now we marked all the zeros. Now we can go for a grouping. Right? First we need to identify whether it is possible having 8 grouping of 8 zeros. So the grouping of 8 zero is not available here. Then its grouping of 4 zeros is available. So we can group these 4s. So one group. Similarly we can group these 4s. So another group. Right? So we covered these 6 cells. These 2 are not covered. Right? We can group these 2 cells, but if we group these 2 cells, this will be isolated. So it is better to group these 0 and these 0, top and bottom. Adjacent top and bottom, these 2 zeros can be grouped together. We can group these 2. While grouping these 2, what happened? This will be isolated. So again we need to group these 2. So one group will be increased. So we can avoid that. Right? So first we tried with 8 groups. That's not available. 4 groups are available. We can group these 4 zeros. Similarly these 4 zeros. After grouping these 4 zeros, these 2 zeros are available. These 2 zeros are grouped as grouping of 2 zeros. Right? So totally we have 3 groupings are available. Now we can find the minimized expression. Consider this group, these 4 cell. If these 4 cell mean, we need to analyze this corresponding row, then corresponding column. Right? The card is available in the corresponding row A bar plus B bar. What is available in the column C plus D? That will be cancelled by C bar plus D bar. C plus D bar, that will be cancelled by C bar plus D. Right? C cancelled by C bar, D cancelled by D bar. This C cancelled by C bar, this D bar cancelled by D. So all terms are cancelled. Only we have A bar plus B bar. That is this. This is the minimized expression due to this grouping of these 4, this green color line. Now we'll go for this group. So corresponding this second row and third row we need to verify. Similarly here third column and fourth column we need to verify. Right? The second row and third row what is available? A plus B bar. A bar plus B bar. So B bar available in both the case. A bar got cancelled. Right? So this is given. B bar is there. Right? B bar. A bar got cancelled. Similarly while verifying third and fourth column, this D bar got cancelled. We have C bar in both the terms. So that what we have? B bar plus C bar. So this is the minimized expression due to the grouping of these 4 cells. This blue color line. Right? Now we need to check with this grouping of 2 zeros. Right? What we need to analyze? We need to analyze this first column. Similarly first row and last row, fourth row. Right? First row and last row. What is there? A plus B. Here A bar plus B. So A bar got cancelled. Only we have B. What is available in the first column? C plus D. So that B plus C plus D. So this is the minimized expression due to the grouping of these 2 zeros. Right? So while grouping 4 zeros we are getting 2 terms. While grouping 2 zeros we are getting 3 terms. That is the advantage. If we group 8 cells we will get only 1 term. right? Here we are getting 2 term, here we are getting 3 term, while grouping A itself will get only 1 term. So in this video we discuss the minimization of the Boolean function using the Karnaugh map, K map, for a POS form, product of sum form. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.